how to fix your Ally Bank login not working on a new device. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are not using any sort of a VPN. If you scroll down from your control panel and long press on your network icons right here, you'll be able to see VPN. Make sure that it is turned off just like that, right? So after making sure that it is turned off, also like make sure that system does not block any sort of unrecognized IP addresses too. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then what you're gonna do is simply complete the device verification. So of course you need to like follow all of the prompt to send a one-time password OTP via your SMS or email registered to your account. So simply do that in order to verify and see if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then lastly what you can do is simply try to offload the application. For that, go back and then simply open the settings of your phone. Then from here, simply scroll down a bit, then tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Then from here, what we're going to do is simply search for our Ally Bank account, right? So after searching for Ally Bank account, simply tap on that one, and then after tapping on that, here you'll be able to see the offload application, right? So after tapping, just like this, you'll be able to see offload app. Simply tap on offload app and then tap on offload app one more time. After offloading the app, you'll be able to see reinstall. Tap on reinstall in order to reinstall all your application, and after reinstalling the application, you can go back and open the application to see if it's working or not. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.